Buying a home, it's the ultimate milestone for stability, freedom, and, let's face it, bragging rights. But let's be honest, does the thought of the paperwork, inspections, and jargon make your head spin? You're not alone. The home buying process can feel like navigating a maze in the dark. But today, I'm flipping on the lights. In just 5 minutes, you'll know exactly what to expect and how to conquer the journey of buying your dream home. Why is understanding the home buying process so important? Because buying a home isn't just another financial transaction. It's a life decision. It's the foundation of your wealth-building journey and a place to call your own. But here's the catch. One misstep can cost you thousands of dollars or months of stress. That's why knowing the process is your superpower. The better prepared you are, the faster you'll go from dreaming about a home to holding the keys in your hand. Quick thought. Did you know you're about to sign more papers than your high school yearbook? Don't worry, we'll make it manageable. So what exactly is the home buying process? Think of it as a roadmap with 7 key stops. Each step builds on the last, guiding you from daydreaming to decision-making. Let's dive in. First up, know your numbers. How much house can you afford? Consider your income, savings, and credit score. Remember, just because the bank approves you for a certain amount doesn't mean you should spend it all. Budgeting smartly now prevents heartbreak later. Next, get pre-approved. This isn't just a formality, it's your ticket to house hunting with confidence. Sellers take you seriously when you have a pre-approval letter in hand. Plus, it shows you exactly how much you can borrow, no guessing games. Now comes the fun part, house hunting. But stay grounded. Start with a checklist of needs versus wants. Sure, the walk-in closet is dreamy, but is it worth sacrificing your budget? Be strategic and stick to what truly matters. By the way, if your must-have list includes an in-house Starbucks, it might be time to reevaluate. Just saying, when you find the one, it's time to make an offer. Here's where things can get competitive. Work with your agent to craft an offer that stands out, but don't overextend yourself. Negotiations are part of the process, so be prepared for a little back and forth. This step is like the test drive of home buying. Inspections reveal any hidden issues, while the appraisal ensures the property's value aligns with your offer. Skipping this step, that's like buying a used car without checking under the hood. Don't do it. Next, your lender will work to finalize your mortgage. Be ready to provide extra paperwork. It's tedious but worth it. Once your loan is approved, you're one step closer to the finish line. Finally, closing day. This is when you sign the documents, pay the closing costs, and receive the keys to your new home. It's a moment worth celebrating. Just be sure to read every paper carefully. Your signature is binding. How do you ensure a smooth journey? Preparation. Stay organized. Work with professionals like real estate agents and lenders, and don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Remember, every step is a building block toward a smarter, wealthier future. But what about the hidden costs no one talks about? Homeownership isn't just about the mortgage. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll uncover the true cost of owning a home and how to prepare for it. Now that you know the home buying process step by step, it's time to take action. Whether you're just starting to save or already house hunting, remember that knowledge is your greatest tool. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Together, we'll navigate the path to your dream home and build a future of financial freedom.